Alright, so I want to show you how to make money on GNews Click. I want to show you how to make money on GNews Click. This is the best way to make money wherever you are in Nigeria. You don't need to invest, you don't need investment. Um, with as little as 300 naira, you can subscribe to this particular website and make as much as possible within 6 months. So when you subscribe with 300 naira, you make money every day for 6 months. Okay, and you can withdraw your money anytime you have up to 500 naira and above. Okay, so we pay you for doing task, and some of the tasks include you performing a project, working on projects. So some employers post on this site. For example, they require you to follow Facebook page, to watch videos, to to subscribe to YouTube channels, and so on and so forth. So many tasks are being posted here by employers. So all you just need to do is to come to the platform, and you register. After you register, you log in and you start performing the tasks, and you are making money as you are performing the tasks. So other areas or other aspects that you can make money includes you reading news. When you open a news, you make money for it. When you share the news on social media handles, you make money. When people, when you get people that come through through your link that you share to the platform, you make money. When you post, you make money in so many ways that you can make money on this platform. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to the website, which is www.gwwealth.com.ng/news. So this is the site. When you come to this site, you open the site. Okay, site. So after the site opens, the first thing, if you are a first timer here, the first thing you need to do is to
register. Okay, after you register, you log in. So I will show you the button for you to register and the button for you to log in. For the purpose of this particular recording, I have an account already that I have registered, so I will not show you it's a very seamless process. So I will log in and show you how to perform the task. Okay, all right. So the page is still loading. So you see adverts on the site. You click on those adverts. Those are part of the areas or the aspects that will make money to pay you. So feel free to click any adverts that you see on the site. Okay, and another thing is that part of the task you'll be doing is that you'll be clicking adverts and you'll be uploading them to the you'll be uploading you'll be uploading them to the as tasks. Okay, you upload them as tasks. So upon approval, when the admin or the employer has approved the task, you'll make money. You'll see the money reflect your wallet. Okay, so like I said, the page has finished loading. So this is the menu of the site. You are opening. This is the phone. So you are opening on your phone. This is the menu of the site. So you click on menu. You click on these three lines. When you click on that, it will drop down like spread out. So you come here, below it you see join. This is where you log in. You see login. This is where you log in, and you see join. This is where you register. So when you click on this button, you go there to register, and when you register, you log in. And for this case now, I want to log in, so I'll click on login. It's still loading. Yeah, while that is loading, I want to also do something. If you are using your laptop, you see this icon. It tells you to install. So you can see it immediately after the website address. you see this icon showing down. When you hover on it, you see install GNews. So you can install this platform on your laptop. And if you are using phone, you will see below here, you see, so you will see a pop-up. It will pop up that you should save the site to home screen, save to home screen, or install to home screen. Okay, you click on it, it will install directly to your phone. So next time when you are coming to the site, you don't need to go through the browser, you just go to the app that you have installed, and from there you will be able, you go to the site directly and you do whatever you want to do. You log in every day, you perform tasks, you read news, you comment on news, you make money. Okay, so so what you do in this case now is that you let's go down and log in. So this is the login area. So in this case, I will enter an account. Or let me use this. So yeah, you enter this, then you enter your password. So after you enter your password, click on I'm not a bot. You click on that. Okay, so you click on remember me for you to be able to save your username and password, so that whenever you are, if you are coming in next time, you don't have to enter them. They will automatically populate here. So then you click on login, so it will log in successfully. All right, so it will take you to this page. This is my admin, my earning dashboard. So this is the dashboard that shows all the details about your earnings. Okay, about all your earnings on the site, and a lot of other information. So but in this case now, what you want to, I want to show you here is that I want to show you how to I want to show you how to perform tasks, like the click task. So what you do is that you come here, go back to the menu, and come to click earnings. Okay, this is where you perform task for clicks. Okay, so you go to clicks earning. Okay, you feel free to click, open all these adverts, and come back to that particular page. So you go down, you scroll down, allow the page to load. You scroll down, down. Yeah, you scroll down, you see my earning total is 7 GNN. 7. So GNN is our currency on this platform, right? It means GNews Naira, and the conversion rate to Naira as of today is that 1 Naira is equal to 1 GNN. 1 Nigerian Naira is 1 GNN. Okay, so with this account I've made 7 Naira. Okay, so what you need to do now is that, so as you can see, you see click and earn project. So this is where you click and earn. This click and earn project, all this my courses, don't bother about all these ones. So you go down, so these are the projects that you can do. These are the different projects that you can do. Okay, so more of these projects will be posted here as time goes on by different employers. Okay, so now, so the first thing that you identify the project you want to do. So for this particular project, this is where you enroll, this is where you apply for it. For this one, this is where you apply for it. But for me, for this account, I've applied for these ones. Okay, so and they are completed, so I've completed these ones. So let's use this one as example. So for this particular one, so let me enroll for this one now to show you how it goes. So when you click on enroll, it will still take you back to the same page, but that enroll button will disappear. It will tell you that you have enrolled for the, you can see enrolled on July 2022. So you have enrolled for it now. You have not completed the task. So to complete the task, you come back and click the name of the project here. It will open in another tab. I believe you are following it. So you open that. So this is the name of the project, and this project is for it says you should view video, like YouTube video view. Okay, so this one requires to use to view the YouTube video. So you scroll down, you will see the project. This is it. So you see the task. Click on the task. The task is still loading. Alright, so after you click the task, you scroll down, allow it to finish loading so that you will be able to see everything. You go down, so you can see the task here, video view task. You see, as I do these things, you can see money rolling in my account, right? So you see here, you say watch the video from beginning to the end. No, this is the instruction. You can see the instruction at this side, the description here. Then yeah, so some of the videos, the next one I will show you in real time, or in the task, they might require you to go directly to YouTube, but for this one is here. So you view it. After you view it from beginning to the end, you scroll to the end of the video and you screenshot it. So after you screenshot it, you come back to this particular page. So you come back to this particular page and click on submit solution. So after you click on submit solution, it will ask you to upload the screenshot that you have done to show that you have finished watching the video. Okay, the screenshot is just pictures in small kilobytes, so it doesn't consume your data, right? So you allow it to finish loading. Like I said, you come, yeah, this is the video. So after you finish watching the video, you click on you screenshot it and you come here. You will see files, like upload files, choose file. This is submit your solution below. Upload files, choose file. So you click on this, then you locate where the screenshot that you have done is on your device, maybe on your phone or your laptop. So for this for the purpose of this recording, let me just select any picture. So let me select this one and upload. So you see the name is already showing here. So when you see the name of the picture here, ensure that is the exact picture you want to upload that you have uploaded. If you upload a different picture, it means you have not performed the task as expected. Then you will not get the money for it, because the employer will have to check it to be sure that you have performed the task before they approve it and you get your money in your wallet. So after you have uploaded the screenshot, you click on submit solution, submit your solution. When you click on it, it says files uploaded. So after you see that, you click on OK. It will load and it will tell you that you have submitted your file, your task. Okay, so in this case, now let's check. So when you see solution submitted, you are done. But like I said, ensure that your solution is done the way you are expected to. Follow the instruction strictly for you to be able to earn. So when the employer now checks at his or her own end, he will see the screenshot that you have subscribed. Then he will also check that particular platform to be sure that you are there too. Then after that, the employer will approve your submission. In that case, immediately the money will reflect in your wallet. So you do as much as that for any project. You do so many projects like that.
okay, and you make your money. Thank you so much. So this is where I will stop for this one. So, and here, if you refer people to the platform, you will make money, okay. And to register, like I said, it's 200, it's 300 naira. You register 300 naira, and that 300 naira give you a license of 6 months on the platform. Meanwhile, every day you log in every day to perform tasks. So when you perform tasks and your money is up to 300, is up to 500 naira rather. When you have up to 500 naira in your wallet, you can request for withdrawal and you get the money credited to you. So even in a day, if you have it, if you can take it seriously, you can make as much as 2,000 naira to 5,000 naira in a day. Okay, all you just need to do is to be opening news, old news, even old news and new news on the platform. Open news, read the news, comment on them. You will be making your money. Okay, all right, thank you so much. Have a great time making money on GNews clicks. Bye bye.